What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be talking about phone flipping, but as you guys know, I'm going to be graduating college out here in a couple weeks, and therefore I need a place to live. So I'm going to be relocating to Phoenix, Arizona, and so I'm going to be actually looking at apartments today. So I thought I'd film it, take you guys along, because as you guys know, I'm not going to be talking about phone flipping all the time on this channel. I kind of want to use it just to talk about my life so you guys can kind of follow me around with it, and so I can get advice from you guys. So I'm going to be asking you guys through today's video exactly which apartment you think I should get, and so I don't really, we're just kind of driving around. I don't know what places we're going to be going to. I'm just going with my mom because she knows all that stuff. But with that said, I'll pick up the vlog when I get to the first place, so stick around. Quick little lunch break.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back. So as you guys can see, I went through 3 different apartments. Each of them had their own unique taste, but I want to see what you guys think. So definitely leave a comment down below which apartment you think I should be like potentially getting. Obviously the first one was a little bit like older, and they kind of got a little bit more new from there on. And the last one, obviously, they went up in price a little bit. They were averaging between like $700 and $1,200 a month, which honestly isn't too bad. I know a lot of you are paying a lot more in rent simply because of where you live. Phoenix is a cheap market, so I'm very grateful for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and hit that little subscription button down below to join the family. Yes, it's a little bit different video. If this is your first video on my channel, it's not just about like apartments or whatever. I talk about phone flipping, business, growing your personal brand, whatever it may be. Just kind of an entrepreneurship platform that I'm using just to kind of put myself out there, show you guys the kind of life like that I live. Obviously, I'm graduating college here in a couple weeks, so I'm gonna be going in the real world. I'm gonna be sharing every single step of the way. So again, if you guys enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate you guys leaving a comment down below letting me know which apartment you would choose yourself. I don't know if I'm gonna choose any of them. I might choose one of them, don't really know, but I have about a month and a half to really think about it. So with that said, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.